The 2007 Chevrolet Tahoe LTZ, powered by a 5.3-liter V8 engine. With an automatic transmission, this vehicle gets up to 15 miles per gallon. This Chevrolet features multi-disc CD player, 4-wheel drive, and locking rear differential. Safety features include traction control, stability control, and 4-wheel ABS. Comfort and convenience features include air suspension, third-row seating, and navigation system. Give us a call to schedule your test drive today.